What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, with that, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets. That's all that this video is. It is not a promise, promotion, suggestion, recommendation, or guarantee of any kind. It is just you and I talking about crypto, talking about the news, and of course going over the latest market analytics. So let's start with the market since we're right here. 53 neutral territory. It's not fear, it's not greed, but investors are unsure and extremely cautious about what comes next. Bitcoin sitting up over the last hour here, down just slightly, about break even on the day today. And the same deal for major altcoins. And then you get down into the minor altcoins, which are relatively green on the day today, with things like Meme Core. Check this out, guys. And Rave DAO up 30% on the day today. Rave DAO is up 4,000% on the week. These are major, major moves for some coins that are really making a name for themselves now. You got to go all the way down to number 29 before you find Shiba Inu coin here, floating right there on number 30. Guys, Shiba Inu coin could fall out of the top 30 if, of course, Kronos rises by about 10% and Shiba Inu coin were to fall by about 10%. But nonetheless, with Shiba Inu coin trying its best to break this 50-day exponential moving average, we could see a very nice rally very quickly if the technical traders jump in. So let's see why analysts believe, or why FX Street believes, that this could be a bull trap. Now, Shiba Inu coin's price is near the 50-day exponential moving average that we have been talking about for essentially weeks now. On Thursday, following a slight recovery the previous day. On-chain data shows that SHIB's rising dormant wallet activity alongside spikes in MPL and trading volume signal bearish moves ahead. Finally, traders should be cautious as a bull trap may be forming. Now, it's only a bull trap if it reverses course. And you only know whether or not it's going to reverse course, of course, after it reverses course. What you have to look at are all of the indicators. And if we've got bullish sign after bullish sign, if we've got bullish breakout after bullish breakout, the only thing that would make people say, be careful, it could be a bull trap, is emotion, right? And the emotion stems from all of the fear and greed. The emotion stems from the neutral sentiment. Now, the article goes on to say that on-chain data signals caution, and I agree. Anytime that there's neutral territory, anytime that indicators are indecisive, caution should be exercised. It says sentiment data indicates that signs of concern for Shiba Inu coin. The chart below shows that Sentiment's network realized profit and loss indicator computes daily network level return on investment based on the coin's on-chain transaction volume, which measures market pain. The metric shows a massive dip on Tuesday, indicating that holders, on average, were realizing losses. And that's very strange to me that somebody would be willing, at the least, to realize a loss, especially during the current market condition. Guys, this fear, this emotion, this sentiment, all of this is causing people to do very stupid things. Okay? The same way that they will buy at an all-time high because they believe it's going to go up forever is the same reason people will sell at an all-time low or fresh low, because fear makes them believe prices are going down forever. During the same period, Sentiment's age consumed index and transaction volume showed an upward spike, suggesting dormant tokens stored in wallets for a long time, are now in motion. Historically, a surge in dormant wallet activity and transaction volume combined with negative spike in MPL indicators often triggered a brief price rally, followed by sell-offs. Bull traps for Shiba Inu coin. A similar pattern was observed in early December when the price rose slightly first, followed by a sharp price correction in SHIB, suggesting distribution rather than accumulation. Now, SHIB nears key resistance. 560 to 630 is the support and resistance level, and Shiba Inu coin is trading right there at that 50-day exponential moving average. The relative strength index is at 55, just above neutral territory at a level of 50, and of course the MACD line coils against each other, suggesting indecision among traders. It all lines up perfectly with the fear and greed index. It all lines up perfectly. What the market does next, nobody knows. but we have to be prepared for it. We could choose to be pessimistic, or we can choose to be optimistic. And I choose to be optimistic every single day of the week. Look, guys, when we were sitting at levels of 5 extreme fear, when Bitcoin had fallen to $60,000, I wasn't selling, okay? I was buying. And here's the thing. It might sound annoying for some of you when I say, yep, I bought some more, I bought some more, I bought some more. But here's the thing. I'm not going out and buying $100,000 worth of Bitcoin every time I say that. I am simply accumulating what I can responsibly accumulate. Some days are more than others, absolutely. Some days are just so that I can get over that emotion and get into the habit of accumulation by buying small amounts. It's whatever works for you, because my strategy should absolutely be different than your strategy. You need to break through the emotion. You need to break through this fear, and you need to break through so that, of course, you can be the top 1% investor. And let me give you a little secret here. You've already made it. The fact that you are still here, okay? I know you're not still here because you want to see how I'm doing today. And I know you're not going to be here tomorrow because you want to know how I'm doing tomorrow. You were invested in the cryptocurrency market for the long term. You have made it through literally the worst sentiment I have ever seen in terms of fear and greed. There's 1% of you guys left that were here in 2021. You've already made it to the top 1%.